my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. So in this video I will be trying the needle and yarn cornrows for the first time. This is my first time hearing about this, and I seen it on Eve's channel. So you're gonna take your needle and put it through half of the hair and make sure it stays in the middle. Put the rest of the thread yarn with your hair and go to the other side, put it through half of the hair and make sure they meet in the middle. So you see my finger, I'm using my finger to direct and make sure that I pulled it through half of the hair at the time to form the cornrows. Now I'm gonna say this, doing this on my own head was a bit challenging, but given that I have never seen this hairstyle before and it looks so good, I was determined to do it. So I did not stop until I got it right. Now once you get it right, it's easy to do. Anybody can do it. So if you want to do this hair, just keep on practicing and I can assure you, you will get it right. I'm gonna stop talking and zoom you guys in so you can really see what I am doing. Again, I'm using my finger to help me. So if you do that and keep your finger in the middle, that way when a needle comes, you will be able to feel it and make sure that it stays in the middle. Then you pull it out. Okay, so right there I went a little far and took the needle into the other braids, but I'm going to fix that later. When I was fixing it, I thought the camera was on, but sadly my camera was off by then. But what I did was, that's yarn that is across, I went ahead and used the scissors and cut it and tied a knot, then cut the excess yarn, and that's how I secured it. And that's when I realized I messed up, but I fixed it like I told you guys. For hers, I'm using the shorter needle. I will leave the link to everything I used in this video down below if I can find them. I'm just gonna show you again how to do it. Hopefully you will see it better when I'm doing it on her head. And oh boy, the child can talk for Africa. She was talking my ears off, but I'm not mad at it. She was keeping me company. So yeah, and what this hairstyle reminds me of is something that my mom used to do on my head back in Africa. It's called, back in Liberia to be exact, it's called country plait, but it definitely wasn't done with needle or yarn. It was regular, just your hair, and they braided, and it comes out looking like that. All right, so I do apologize for my hair constantly being in the way. I will work on my placement next time so that you will be able to fully see without my hands distracting you or whatnot. But yeah. I hope this video is or was in some way helpful to you. Let me know if you're going to try this needle and yarn cornrows. Let me know if you knew about this before, because it is my first time. And if you haven't seen my needle and yarn flat twist, be sure to check it out. I will leave the link down below. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. When you do, hit that notification bell so you will not miss an upload from me again. So I wanted her hair to be left out because I'm not going to be adding extra hair. So once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and tie it, put her hair into few 2-strand twist, and then pin it in the back. She wanted her unicorn bow, so I went ahead and put the bow on. Thank you again for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.